Welcome to ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. We are now at the Infiled booth. Infiled is one of the biggest manufacturers for LED screens. Today we want to focus on our range of products that we have for the fixed installation market, and especially we have a product that we call the wallpaper product, and this is very thin. So it's a very thin product. It's only 3 centimeters on the wall, and you can mount it directly on the wall. A bit different than normal LED screens that you stack or hang or something like that. We will demonstrate also how you can do that. It's very easy to take off the modules, and you can do that with a vacuum tool. And it's very easy also to take and connect the cabinets from the wall on a normal wall mount. We have several other products for the fixed installation market. One, for example, is a flexible module that we are showing, and you can see you can really bend that, and it's for any kind of architectural installation, for example, or for some show or some installations like that. If you need some more information, stop by at our booth at the ISE or visit us on our website infiled.com.